Hi, today we'll walk you through how to create custom Jira automations using comment labels as triggers. Comment labels are simple tags on comments that turn your discussions into actionable workflows. From assigning follow-ups to documenting recurring work items, there's a lot you can do with them. We'll start by showing how you can automatically publish a Confluence troubleshooting article and notify support agents to collaborate on it whenever a comment is labeled Troubleshooting Step. First, open your space settings and click on Automation. In our case, we'll create a new rule from scratch. Start by adding a new flow triggered by an incoming webhook. Here, we'll need to save or enable the flow first to generate the webhook URL. We'll come back to it later. Next, we'll define our condition based on smart value data, in our case, the comment label. To extract the label value, enter webhookdata.label. Then set the condition to equals and add the label, troubleshooting step. Now let's configure the first action, publishing a new Confluence page. Here, we'll connect our Confluence site, select the customer support space, choose the parent page, and define the title using the issue key. Next, let's add a second action. After the page is created, we want to notify the support team so they can review or contribute additional troubleshooting details. For this, add a send email action. Here, we can customize the subject line and email body. Once everything is configured, give your flow a name and click Turn on Flow. As you can see, the webhook URL and secret key are now available. Now we need to save them inside Comment Toolkit configs. Navigate to Comment Toolkit in Apps and click on Webhook Configuration. Start creating webhook by copying and pasting both the webhook URL and secret key. And there you have it, one comment label triggers the full process, from Confluence documentation to team notifications. Next, let's look at another automation example for repetitive technical workflows. When a comment is labeled Ready for QA, the work item automatically moves to the testing phase and is assigned to QA team. We'll follow the same setup flow as before. First, identify the label trigger, which in this example is Ready for QA. Next, add the first action. Transition the work item to the status Testing. Then add another action to assign the work item automatically. You can assign it to a specific user, a role, or dynamically based on fields like workload balance. Finally, choose your flow name and privacy settings, then click Turn on Rule to activate the automation. And that's it, no more manual handoffs, everything moves straight into testing from a simple label. Beyond updating existing work items, you can also use comment labels to create new ones, turning discussion ideas into actual workflows. In our example, we want to trigger an automation when comments are labeled Feature Candidate. Once that label is applied, a new work item is created within the product roadmap space in Jira Product Discovery for evaluation. We will copy the summary of the original work item and use the comment body as the description. All you've got left is to name your flow. With Comment Toolkit for Jira, comment labels become powerful triggers that help teams move faster and stay aligned.